There used to be a way of carrying in China called dan. The noodles sold along the street in this way are called dandan noodles. Step 1. Make red oil. Heat oil to 570 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn off the heat and add onion, ginger, cilantro. Then add star anise, cinnamon, bay leaf, fennel. Let it cool naturally and remove the spices. Prepare a spoonful of chili powder, half a spoonful of sesame seeds. Heat the oil again to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn off the heat and pour a spoonful of oil over the chili. Stir for 15 seconds. Then pour another spoonful of oil over the chili. 15 seconds later, pour another spoonful of oil over the chili. 1 spoonful of chili for 3 to 4 spoonfuls of oil. The oil temperature drops a little each time. Let it sit for 8 hours. The color will be redder. Step 2. Make minced meat and YaCai. Medium heat. Stir fry minced meat. After turning white, add some wine. Continue to stir fry until slightly yellow. Add 5 grams of soy sauce. Continue to stir fry until it looks like this. YaCai are a specialty of Yibin City, Sichuan province. If you can't get them, it is recommended that you use pickled cucumbers instead. Fry the YaCai until dry. Step 3. Mix seasonings. Salt 0.5 grams. MSG 0.5 grams. Sichuan pepper powder 1 gram. Soy sauce 2 grams. Sugar 2 grams. YaCai 3 grams. Red oiled chili 10 grams. Boil water and add noodles. When the water boils again, add 200 grams of cold water. When the water boils again, the noodles are done. Take 100 grams of noodles and put them in a bowl. Add 50 milliliters of noodle soup. Drizzle with minced meat and its oil. Sprinkle with scallions. Stir well before eating. This is the traditional way of making dandan noodles. Some people have improved it by adding garlic and sesame paste. You can also try it yourself.